All right, welcome back everybody to a brand new video here. Join with your host today. I'm so sorry everybody, I'm not using the webcam. The battery's actually low and I actually got to go to work, but we got to do a quick little day trade recap. So I wanted to show you guys today pretty much what I took. I was playing some puts, heck yeah. But if we go to the daily, so check this out. We've actually been kind of recovering from what this so-called recession. So who knows how far high we could actually go up, or who knows how far we could actually go down. So pretty much all I took was a put at the very beginning of the day. Once I seen this on the 5-minute chart, I took a look at this wick right here, and then I started to see a little bit of red volume. So I'm like, you know what? Let me play some puts. This was, if you look over here on the VIX, this is kind of where we started turning around. So I'm like, all right. The rest of the market also, we started, like, if we go to Apple as well, look at that, man. I mean, we're going like in pretty much down to the downside. And we go over here to Microsoft, again to the downside. We go to the Qs, downside. Like, everything is just kind of playing towards the downside. So I was like, you know what, let me actually take like a quick little put. Again, everybody, this is a small account challenge. All I pretty much do is just try to go for them consistent wins. That's all I pretty much do. So if we look at today, we took a put from 634 to 651. Once again, everybody, the profits, I'm not even focused on the profits. It's more about just the consistent wins, and I just want to be consistent pretty much. So I haven't uploaded in a few days. The previous week was a green week. The week before that, I think I lost a little bit of money, but so far on the month, we're still up. Last month in July, we actually profited some little bit of money, and this month so far, we are in the profit as well. So it's all about, just waiting towards the end of the pretty much just waiting towards the end of the month, to see if we win or see what's good. But it looks like now we might be going to the upside. Not too sure, man. Look at this. This is some crazy chop. But once again, everybody, 634 to 651. So let's actually look at that in the chart. 634. Let's see. This is exactly where we entered right here. And yeah, this is exactly where we've seen it. I don't look too much on the 1-minute chart just because I know there's like a lot of false breakouts and there's just too much going on, right? So minimum, I like to go on the 2-minute chart, the 3-minute chart, and the 5 and the 15. And that's usually how I day trade. Sometimes look at the 30-minute chart, the hourly chart, just to see like the overall picture. But for a majority of, I'm just a scalper, so I just like to go in and out really quickly. So even though, let's see, even though this wasn't too fast, I was in this trade for a couple minutes. So we decided to exit out 51, which was right here. As soon as I seen this wick, once again, that's why I'm like, you know what, it's a double wick. Let me just actually exit the position. Originally, my profit target was actually down here, around 427. 427.50 to be exact is where I had my take profit, but I actually took it right here, so I could have waited a little extra, made a couple extra bucks. But I'll definitely take this as a win. Let's go to the 2-minute chart really quickly. Once again, everybody, tomorrow I got you guys with some more webcam. It's been a minute since I uploaded, so yeah, man, life's a little bit busy. And then I usually like to take this hour because to make these videos it takes about like an hour, so I like to take this hour, take a little nap and stuff, regenerate, but hey, man, I gotta get back to the grind. But let's look at the 3-minute chart now. I honestly feel like it's gonna fall, man. Like, it really is. Like, it's making higher lows. And I just feel like it just might tap down here, but hey, you just never know, man. You just never know. If the price is consolidating up here, if it breaks above this, we're gonna continue going up. If it breaks under this, for sure, we're gonna keep going down. So, I mean, we'll see. But this was nice, though. This was a nice play. Yesterday too was actually a really nice play. I played some calls yesterday. So yesterday, yeah, as soon as I seen the pre-market break, I entered some calls right here. I seen a retest and it shot back up. So yesterday was actually some good profit. So yeah, everybody. And once again, everybody, all I do is I play 0 DTE, really cheap contracts. Like, honestly, like, every single one that I buy is around like 70 to 80 bucks. Like, that's like the premium. So obviously it's not gonna make a lot, but to me it's cool. Again, everybody, I'm just going for the consistent wins. That's all that really matters. And yeah, so I want to see exactly how this plays out. Let's go to the 15-minute chart and let's see what's happening. See, look, we getting some nice wicks. So there's a lot of buy orders right here. One thing that I've been trying to get into is the level 2, but sometimes I just don't really understand it too well. So if you guys could, someone in the comments down below, kind of explain it a little bit. So this is the ask, right? These are the sellers, these are the buyers. Sometimes I'd be seeing a lot of size on this side right here, but it's like, if you look at it, like, okay, so let's look at the size, right? There's a lot more size on this side right here, on the seller side. So it's, are we going to go down or are we going to go up? Someone explained it that when there's more size on here, it's going to go up. When there's more size over here on the buy side, it's going to go down. So sometimes I see it, sometimes I don't. And I'm just like, you know what? I don't know. And then there's also a group of people that be saying that the level 2 does lag. So don't rely on the level 2, especially on the Thinkorswim level 2. And then again, it's like, bro, it's like, you know, you got some people saying this, some people that. I try to test it on myself and try to see what's going on. But if you could clearly see, it's like, man, we're kind of going to the upside. But then there's a lot more size on this side. So it's like, okay, 418, we got a huge size right there. Again, these are all like, I believe, limit orders. So I don't think, you know, someone could enter a limit order, they could take it off. So who knows? But yeah, let's look at the 30-minute chart. But you guys let me know in the comments down below, man. How'd you guys do today? Once again, everybody, I'm going to be charging up the camera. So for tomorrow's video, for the next video that I upload, I'll definitely be dropping some webcam. And then also just letting you guys know as well, I actually have 2 vlogs in stored. The past, like, in July I did a vlog. Earlier this month I did a vlog. So I got some vlogs, man. I got some editing to do. But hey, life just kind of gets in the way sometimes. And I'm just like, man, YouTube's cool. But it's just like, oh, man, I got to do a couple other priorities. But hopefully I get back into the groove, you know. Hopefully, you know, I was uploading damn near daily, so except for the weekend. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut down maybe to like 3 videos a week, you know. Maybe like drop like to 2 trading recaps, and then one like maybe like a talk, maybe either like a vlog or like a talking vlog or something. But I don't know, man. I still feel like this is probably going to go to the downside. I mean, we got this little line right here, this trend line right here. Again, I don't really mess with trend lines too much, but if this breaks, look at the VIX, man. VIX going to go up again. If the VIX continues to go up, this is going to continue to fall. And I've slowly implemented like the whole market awareness. Like, I like to look at the whole market, you see. You got 2 wicks right here. Might bounce up. Tesla, I don't know about Tesla. I feel like Tesla's it's its own thing. I want to trade Tesla. Look at that, clean. Dude, Tesla always has some clean patterns, bro. Tesla might be my main eventually. Oh, but then look at that. Dang. Microsoft, look at Micro. Amazon. Yeah, some of these are just Facebook / Meta. Or Meta, you could say. Let's look back at the SPY. Yeah, man, I don't know. I feel like it might drop, but we'll see, though. But anyways, everybody, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys drop a like, a comment, subscribe, click that bell so you guys get notified every time we upload. And I will catch you guys in the next day trading video.